Welcome, dear children. Subject Mathematics, Standard 7th, 4th chapter, Angles and Pairs of Angles, Part 4. Now, this is the 4th part of your chapter. So, let's see practice set 17. Student, question number 4. The difference between the measure of the two angles of a complementary pair is 40 degree. Find the measures of the two angles. Now here what you have to do in this question, students, here the difference between the two complementary angle is given, that is 40 degree. Clear? Now what we have to find out? We have to find out the measure of the two complementary angle. Clear? The complementary angle is not mentioned in your question. Only the difference between the two complementary angle is given, that is 40 degree. Clear? So the complementary angle we have to find out. So see how you will going to find out. Now here one angle will be the smaller one and another angle will be the bigger one. So here we have to assume. So what you will assume here? We will assume let the measure of smaller angle be x. Clear? We have taken the smaller angle as x. Now the another angle we have to assume. The measure of bigger angle be x plus 40. Now why we have taken x plus 40? Because here the bigger angle will be 40 degree more than the smaller one. Clear? So that is why this x we have taken. The x we have taken as our smaller angle, which we have assumed here. Clear? So bigger number will be 40 degree more than the smaller one. So that is why here your equation will be x plus 40. Clear? So your bigger angle will be x plus 40. Now tell me, what is the sum of the measure of your complementary angle? Yes, we have studied the sum of the measure of your complementary angle is 90 degrees. So that we have to write down. The sum of the measure of complementary angle be 90 degree. Clear, everyone? So now what you will do, now with the help of these three things we have to make our equation. So how you will make your equation? We will take this x plus 40 is equal to 90 degree. Clear? Understood? What will be your equation? You have to take these three things and you have to make your equation. Now what you will do, first of all we will open the bracket over here. Understood? So first we have opened the bracket over here. Now what you will do, first we will add our like terms. Now which is your like terms over here? Now here your like terms are x plus x. So first we will add this x plus x. So what you will get? You will get that is 2x. Understood? 40 will remain as it is, 90 will remain as it is. Understood? Now what you will do, how you will do the calculation? Now this 40 we have to take on the right hand side. Clear? So 40, if when you will take on the right hand side, so plus will become minus. So 2x is equal to 90 degree minus 40 degree. Clear? This here you have to mention the degree. Understood? Now when you will subtract 90 with 40, what you will get? You will get 2x is equal to 50 degree. Understood? Now what you will do? How you will do the calculation over here? This 2 you have to take on the right hand side. So which sign is there between 2 and x? Can you tell me? Yes, there is a multiplication sign between 2 and x. So when you will take this 2 on the right hand side, so multiplication will become division. Understood? Multiplication will become division. So x is equal to 50 divided by 2. So how you will divide? 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10. Clear? So here if you will divide 25 by 1, so what you will get? You will get that is 25. So here the value of x we had find out, that is 25 degree. So x we have taken for what? X we have taken for our smaller angle. So here our smaller angle is of 25 degree. Now we have to find out the measure of our bigger angle. For bigger angle what we have taken? Yes, we have taken that is x plus 40 degree. So now in the place of x what we will take? We will take 25 plus 40 degree. So what you will get? You will get that is 75 degree. Clear? So the two complementary angle we had find out over here is, one is of 25 degree, another one is of 75 degree. So here we will write down, therefore the measure of two angles is 25 degree and 75 degree. Clear? Understood how you will do this, everyone? So like this you have to solve this sum. Clear? Now let's see question number 5. Now here it is given that rectangle PTNM is a rectangle. Clear? Write the names of the pairs of supplementary angles. Now here the rectangle PMNT is given. What you have to do? You have to write down the pairs of supplementary angles. So how you will going to write down the pairs of supplementary angle from this rectangle? Now tell me how many angles are there in your rectangle? 4 angles are there in your rectangle. Each and every angle is your right angle in your rectangle. Clear? Now here what we have to do? We have to make the pairs of supplementary angle. Clear, everyone? So how you will make the pairs of supplementary angle over here? See how you will make the pairs of supplementary angle. Here you have to write down angle P and angle T. Clear? Now here P is of 90 degree. T is also of 90 degree. So 90 plus 90, what you will get? You will get that is 180 degree. Clear? So here you can take any angle with the other angle. Clear? You can take P with M also, you can take P with N also, you can take P with T also. Clear? Because the measure of all the angles in your rectangle is 90 degree. Clear? So the next pair is angle M and angle N. Now next pair we will take, that is angle P and angle M. Clear? Another pair we will take angle T and angle N. Clear? The another pair we will take, that is angle P and angle N. Another pair we will take angle M and angle T. So these are the pairs of your supplementary angles. Clear, students? How you will make the pairs of supplementary angle from your rectangle? Clear? Now see student, question number 6. If angle A and angle B are supplementary angles and measure of angle B is x plus 20 degree, then what would be measure of angle A? Now what you have to do in this question, students? Now here the measure of angle A and B are your supplementary angles. Clear? Now here measure of angle B is given, that is x plus 20 degree. What you have to do? You have to find out the measure of angle A. So see how you will going to find out. Now we don't know the measure of angle A. So here again we will assume the measure of angle A. That is, let the measure of angle A be y degree. Clear? So here we have taken the measure of angle A as y degree. Clear, everyone? And measure of angle B is given. Here measure of angle B is given, that is x plus 20 degree. Understood everyone? And what is mentioned in the question? In the question it is mentioned A, B are supplementary angle. Means if you will add measure of angle A with measure of angle B, what you will get? You will get that is 180 degree. Why? Because both are supplementary angle. Clear everyone? Now how you will going to find out the measure of angle A? Here we have taken measure of angle A as y degree. So how you will going to find out that? So let's see. Now what you will do? Now with the help of this we have to make our equation. So how you will going to make our equation? So here we will take y degree plus what is the measure of angle B? That is x plus 20. So here we will write down that is x plus 20 degree is equal to 180 degree. Clear? 180 from where we have taken the 180? When you will add A and B. A and B is your supplementary angle. So if you will add A and B, what you will get? You will get 180 degree. Now again, first we will open the bracket over here. Clear? Sorry. First we have to open the bracket. So x plus 20 degree is equal to 180 degree. Clear? Now what you will do further? Now here what you have to do? Now here what you will do is you will take, see, you will take this 20 on the right hand side. So addition will become subtraction. Clear? So your equation will be like this: y plus x is equal to 180 degree minus 20 degree. Understood? So what you will get here? 180 minus 20, here you will get that is 160. Understood? Now tell me how you will do the calculation over here. Now y and x is there. So what you will do? Now what we will do? We will take this x on the right hand side with 160. So what will be your equation now? Y is equal to 60 degree minus x degree. Clear? Now can you subtract x from 160? No. So here y is equal to 160 minus x degree. So what will be the measure of angle A over here? Here y we have taken for what? We have taken for angle A. So here we had find out the value of y, that is 160 minus x degree. Clear? So here the measure of angle A is 160 minus x degree. Clear students? How you will going to find out this? Now see student, question number 7. If measure of angle A is 70 degree, what is the measure of the supplement of the complement of angle A? Now what you have to do in this question? Now in this question measure of angle A is given, that is 70 degree. You have to find out the supplement and complement of angle A. Means what? First of all you will find out the complementary pair of this 70 degree. Understood? Whatever pair you will get, on that you will find out the pair of supplementary angle. Understood? So let's see how you will going to find out that. First of all we will find out the pair of complementary angle of this 70 degree. So let's see how you will going to find out. Now here first we will write down, let the measure of complementary angle of 70 degree be x. Clear? Here we have to take the, we have to assume the measure of complementary angle of 70 degree be x. Now what you will do? Now here we will make the equation, that is 70 degree plus x is equal to 90 degree. Understood? 70 it is given in your question, x we have assumed, and 90 the sum of the complementary angle is 90 degree. Clear? Now this 70 we have to take on the right hand side. So addition will become subtraction. So x is equal to 90 degree minus 70 degree. So what you will get? The value of x, that is 20 degree. Means the pair of complementary angle with 70 degree is 20 degree. Now on this 20 degree we have to find out the pair of your supplementary angle. Clear? So how you will going to find out? Let the measure of supplementary angle of 20 degree be y. Clear? Now we have assumed as y. Now what will be your equation? Your equation will be 20 degree plus y is equal to 180 degree. Clear? Now I have taken 180 degree. Why? The sum, we are finding the supplementary angle. So the sum of supplementary angle is 180 degree. Understood? Now what you will do? This 20 you have to take on the right hand side. So addition will become, that is subtraction. So 180 minus 20 degree. So what you will get? You will get that is 160 degree. Clear? Understood everyone? So what is the pair of supplementary angle of this 20 degree? That is 160 degree. Understood? How you will going to find out? Thank you students for watching this video.